Hi everyone, I'm David Kim. As an independent developer, I'm sure you're very focused on one crucial question: how to get your first traffic when your new product launches. Here's a simple yet effective method that will yield results, though not necessarily huge ones: submitting your website to various product directory sites. This well-established approach has been around for a while, and now, in the AI era, there are plenty of directories dedicated specifically to AI products where you can showcase your creation. While these sites typically won't drive large volumes of traffic, submitting your site can still generate a steady trickle of visitors. Additionally, you'll gain some backlinks to your site. Although they might not be highly impactful for SEO, they still contribute to your online presence. It's one of those foundational steps where consistent effort yields results, even if the immediate impact is moderate. I recommend starting with free directory sites and not rushing into paid ones. From my experience, paid directories don't actually bring better traffic than free ones. Each directory has its own listing process, and if you want to speed up the process, you can simply email them directly. Having launched several products, I've gradually streamlined the process of submitting to AI directories. For developers new to this, the process can be quite time-consuming, requiring significant effort to locate these sites and work through their sometimes tedious submission procedures. Recently, I came across a few new directories, such as DevHunt and MicroLaunch, which operate similarly to ProductLaunch. I'd recommend checking out these platforms. If you have your own product, consider submitting it there. If you're interested in bulk submitting to multiple AI directories, check out my tool, Submit Pro. It lets you instantly submit your product to hundreds of directories with a single click, saving you hours of manual work. I recently discovered a product called ChatHub, a Chrome extension that enables simultaneous chats with multiple LLMs. The product quality is impressive, with a 4.7-star rating and 1,086 reviews on the Chrome store. The free version has notable limitations. You can only chat with two LLMs simultaneously, and many features are restricted to paid users. With this setup, it's clear that monetization is a primary focus. Notably, the extension has already reached 200,000 users on the Chrome store. For independent developers considering this path, while the market may feel competitive, I believe there's still room to make an impact. It isn't entirely saturated yet. Another product, OpenRouter.ai, has taken a different approach. Rather than targeting regular consumers, they're focused on a technical audience. You can tell this from their slogan: find the best models and prices for your prompts. For developers seeking the ideal model for their products, OpenRouter.ai offers a platform to test and compare multiple large language models simultaneously. This allows developers to evaluate responses and identify which model best suits their specific needs. The professional focus of this product is evident. It's clearly not designed for regular consumers. You'll find a variety of models such as 7B, 13B, and others which you can self-deploy. This is quite different from consumer-facing products where people typically just use ChatGPT. For independent developers working on prompt engineering, this tool is particularly valuable. Instead of diving straight into server deployments, you can first use the platform to test and refine your prompts. Once you've optimized your prompts, you can then decide whether to deploy, and if so, which model to use. They also feature an LLM rankings page where you can see how many tokens other developers using OpenRouter have consumed for each model. This provides a snapshot of which models are most popular within the developer community. While this data might not be essential, it offers an interesting perspective on what others are using. Alright, that's all for today. If you like this video, consider subscribing to this channel for more insights into the latest AI developments.